The Rivals of Amziah King is Angelina LookingGlass's debut film. The young star spoke with us on the red carpet for the Austin screening. Take a look.
This is your film debut, so what does it mean to you and how does it feel for your first role to be with Matthew McConaughey?
It's really crazy. It just, I wouldn't have imagined my first credit being with him, and I'm just really excited for people to see how my character kind of transitions, and also just the dynamic between me and Matthew.
Your character faces a lot of adversity in the film, right? And she is kind of on this very interesting journey of discovering what life looks like as a young woman, what family looks like, what that dynamic is. What are you, after working in the film, what did you take away from her, and what do you hope that people take away from the character? How do you hope they see themselves in you?
Yeah, I hope people see, the way she overcomes the circumstances that were put in front of her. And I'd say the things that I took away from her was just how she kind of overcame such difficult tasks in the film and kind of made her own path in the second act. And yeah, it's such a special movie. I'm excited for everyone to see it.
One thing that's kind of cool is, you're along with Matthew's character in the film, you're kind of discovering these new skills and new ways to kind of adapt and live, right? What's a skill in real life that you have that might surprise people?
Oh gosh. I guess what might surprise people would be, I don't know. I did train as a ballerina for 5 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's commitment.
Yeah, I know. It was my feet were hurting all the time, but it's such a wonderful skill, and yeah.
Yeah.
I don't do it anymore,
Okay.
but I did pick up beekeeping in this film.
I love that.
Yeah.
In your past life, you're a ballerina. I love that.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Finally, you guys are obviously here in Austin for the screening of this film and the naming of the Matthew McConaughey Cinema. What's it mean to you to be here in Austin, and what's something that you're excited to do while you're here?
I'm just excited to be here with him, and I know this is his home and his home base, and I'm just really glad to support him and hopefully having a fun night tonight. Yeah.
I love that. Well, thank you so much.
The Rivals of Amziah King is in theaters August 14th.